We as BEKA Schréder are very proud to have completed one of our latest highlight sports field applications. Let's say most recent and interesting projects is the Garsfontein primary school project that we did using our floodlight range, in this case the OmniBlast MIDI range, which we have used in various projects. These have been mounted on 8 masts, lighting up 2 rugby fields. Additionally to that, we are lighting up a tennis court and a multi-purpose field. We have to light up this project to 200 lux, which is the so-called major club light levels. Not only did we achieve those light levels quite comfortable, we also used a light control system called the Itera system, which has been launched quite recently. This Itera system is giving the end user the possibility to dim down the lights and control the lights as they prefer, finding solutions to different light levels, and of course having the control of all the lights at all times. This can be remotely managed by use of a simple cellular phone or any other mobile device, and I think we are one of the few companies in South Africa that can offer a solution like this to the market. This is all wireless, so it can be installed in any existing installation. And we have various installations already throughout South Africa that is using this control system very successfully. Additional feature of this control system is the easiness to expand it. This school required a control system not only for the rugby fields, but it also wanted to extend the system to be used in the assembly hall, where we connected some new high bay luminaires. And these luminaires are fully controllable in the same sense like the sports field lights.
Laerskool Garsfontein is one of the top Afrikaans schools in Pretoria. We truly believe that children should have a balanced lifestyle, whether that's academics, cultural activities and sports activities. Our previous lighting system was installed in the early 2000s and it really became outdated. We battled to replace some of the light bulbs, etc. And it's been a project that we've been saving up for probably over the last 4 years. And I guess you can see the results of that. We chose an LED lighting solution because I think that is where technology is going, regardless of the saving in electricity. But I think there's a longevity of the light bulbs, etc. And then obviously the level of light that you get without the glare, etc. The new lighting solution had a significant impact with regards to the school and the sporting activities. We're quite a large school and a lot of our sports go into the evening, games going into evening, as you can see behind me. With the new Itera app on the phone, it allows for the teachers to be able to manage it remotely, manage it without having to be here. Giving access to parents, some of the parent representatives, to switch on and switch off. So it had a significant impact in terms of our school. When we kicked off the project, I spoke to Johan from BEKA Schréder and I told him that we don't have any time to overrun. I set a very hard deadline in terms of when all of this needed to be completed. They went out of their way to get it completed on time. The R&D department, and I can call names like Gert and Pieter in that department, they helped. Dani with the installation of the remote systems, and I think we just had such a great community feeling with BEKA Schréder when they installed this, and we've been advertising their services to all the schools and everywhere where we get an impact or where we get people asking about what we're doing. So definitely very happy. And yeah, thanks for some good work.